Welcome back to CoastLife. Now listen, Paige, and I know you're all about this, but when you've had a rough day or things just aren't going on your way, retail therapy is always the answer.
It is my thing.
100%. And we've got the retail therapy expert, the shopping queen, Kelly Hamilton herself. Kelly, thanks for joining us on the couch.
Thank you for having me. I'm so excited to share this new shopping adventure with your viewers.
I am envious when I watch
know.
it. I'm like, I want to go do that.
Who knew this was a career path? Well, if I knew shopping with Kelly specifically could be like something I could do, I love my job, but you know,
Right.
it's intriguing.
And in my opinion, I'm like, just tack one more thing on because that one sounds fun.
And it is fun.
How did you get started?
I'm just so
into it?
excited. I don't know how this fell into my lap, but I'm glad it did. But I've always been passionate about shopping. I love shopping. I love shopping with family and friends. And now I get to bring along all your viewers with me.
Yes.
Yeah, so, I mean, it's a good gig.
It's a good gig. Yeah.
So
What's
fun.
your favorite thing to shop for?
Well, I love shopping for myself, I'm going to be honest, but I also love shopping for other people. And for me, I get much pleasure from gifting and giving to other people. And so Delmarva is full of some amazing shopping destinations, and I'm in search of those, and I want people to see. I feel like we have some amazing locally owned businesses, and that's where I go. We have the boutiques, specialty shops, and some incredible vintage and designer places at Chic at the Beach. That's where I was headed the other day, and I loved it there.
Talk about some of the things that were there.
So Ellen and her team are fabulous, and they have pre-owned and new clothing, designer handbags, incredible
She's
shoes.
hitting along
I
something there.
did leave with a handbag.
Lauren just called it. Lauren's like, I know she left with a bag.
But as you
can't-
should.
You
Yes.
can't not leave without a handbag.
my
And some
gosh.
fabulous sunglasses and clothes. But what's wonderful about Chic at the Beach, it's every price point. Yeah, so
okay.
that made it a lot of fun. So
excited about
I'm definitely going to bring people along to Chic at the Beach. I've been telling everybody about Chic at the Beach.
And the good news is you guys can shop along with her at Chic at the Beach, but not just yet. It's going to be, give us a couple minutes. We want to talk to Kelly a little bit more, but then we'll have that shopping adventure with her. But even if people are into because you have cute clothes, you have cute earrings.
Thank you.
Her shoes are cute.
Yep.
Her
Shoes are
jeans.
cute. Yep.
But if you're not, that kind of shopper, you shop other places too.
I do, yeah. So I've been to bookstores.
Okay.
I'm a big reader as a teacher. I'm an advocate for reading, so I've been to some bookstores, furniture stores. I've been searching for a new dining set for my porch and patio, and I found something there. So I think it's just, also when you go to a store, don't be afraid to ask for assistance and help, especially when you're in some furniture stores or home decor. They're the experts and they're there to help you. And it's their store and they get a lot of joy in talking with you. So definitely reach out and talk to the people that are at the store.
And Kelly, do you think this is something that's going to be something for our viewers that can watch to maybe get some Christmas ideas?
Yes.
Because as much as people don't want to talk about it, the holidays are approaching and they're going to come faster than ever.
Yes, the holidays are coming, and you want to get early start. To me, I feel like we get stressed out because we have so much to do, and if you can get that checked off your list, and like I said, talk to the people that are at the store. They can point you in the direction to save you time and money.
Yeah.
That's good advice. Okay, perfect. Well, I think I'm still thinking about Chic at the Beach.
Yeah.
I
Are you
kind of
stuck?
want to.
You said handbag, and that was all. Okay.
Yeah. Like I'm excited for Christmas. I'm happy you shopped furniture and all that stuff, but I'm kind of ready. And Lauren, I think we're gonna watch our first, not Kelly's first, but CoastLife's first shopping with Kelly soon.
I'm excited for that.
Me too. Should we get to that soon?
Let's get to it.
Okay, we have a commercial break first. But Kelly, thanks for being here. This is so fun.
Thank you so much. Yes, thanks.
And in just a couple minutes, guys, we're gonna have CoastLife's first shopping with Kelly.
Hello, fellow fashionistas. Welcome to Shopping with Kelly. Today, we're stepping into the world of elegance at Chic at the Beach in Lewis, a boutique for those who appreciate the finer things, right here in coastal Delaware. Ready to indulge in luxury and elevate your style? Well, come shopping with me. From luxurious handbags to exquisite jewelry, designer shoes, and must-have sunglasses, Chic at the Beach offers a curated collection of new and pre-owned items that exude timeless elegance and sophistication. Whether dressing up for a night out or indulging in some retail therapy, Chic at the Beach has something to make you feel fabulous and look oh so chic. For me, Pampering myself isn't about waiting for a special occasion. I believe in indulging in a bit of luxury whenever the mood strikes. That's why I'm treating myself to a new handbag or whatever else makes me feel fabulous. At Chic at the Beach, every pre-owned bag is authenticated by a third party, so you can shop with confidence knowing you're investing in authentic luxury. Why pre-owned? Well, unique finds, affordable luxury, and investment potential. Unique finds. The charm of pre-owned shopping lies in the thrill of discovery. Find rare, discontinued designs and vintage pieces that make a bold statement and set you apart from the crowd. Affordable luxury. Don't let the price tag keep you from owning designer treasures. Pre-owned offers you the opportunity to indulge in iconic brands at a more accessible price, allowing you to enjoy high-end style without breaking the bank. Investment potential. A carefully selected designer handbag is not just an accessory, it's an investment. Many bags appreciate over time, making your purchase not only stylish, but financially savvy. Every woman deserves the elegance of a Louis Vuitton handbag, a true symbol of timeless craftsmanship. I couldn't help but notice these stunning handbags. They practically called my name. Versatility and functionality make them perfect for any occasion, and that iconic monogram adds a touch of sophistication to every outfit. If you're considering a wardrobe upgrade, Louis Vuitton is the way to go. Look at these gorgeous Chanel bags. Chanel's signature designs like the quilted leather and the iconic interlocking double C logo never go out of fashion. What's so fabulous about these handbags is their versatility. You can transform the look of this handbag by making a few simple adjustments to this beautiful chain. Double the chain and put it on your shoulder for that classic Chanel flair. Bring it to the crook of your arm for a more elegant statement. For a more relaxed look, hang the long strap over your shoulder or go hands-free with a crossbody. And for special occasions, hide the chain and you have a chic clutch. Though the handbags grabbed my attention right away, I couldn't overlook the array of designer clothing. I know I won't be able to leave without snagging a new outfit, or two. If you're looking to elevate your little black dress, or in my case, a little black jumpsuit, Chic at the Beach has curated a stunning collection of jewelry. Whether you're drawn to the timeless elegance of Cartier, the intricate designs of David Yurman, or even some vintage-inspired costume jewelry by Chanel, there's something for every style. And don't forget, an exquisite Hermes scarf can be the perfect finishing touch. On my way out, I couldn't resist picking up these chic Prada sunglasses. Be sure to visit Chic at the Beach and let Ellen and her team spoil you with a touch of luxury. Who knew you could feel like $1 million without spending it? And luxury is always a little sweeter when it's tax-free. Until next time, stay chic.